Hey, what's up guys? It's GT Girl here and I want to welcome back to another video. So, I'm playing Subway Surfers. On my screen there is no sound, but I don't know on your screen. There shouldn't be sound. I don't know why. Dang it. Oh yeah, and it's been 5 days and I haven't made a video. It's because I can have my iPad only on the weekend, so only Friday, Saturday, and Sunday I can only have my iPad. That's why I barely make videos. I have 73 videos, but now I'm having 74. It took me a long time to get Tagbot, so I have what's his name? I think his name is Jake. I have Jake, Trixie, Lucy, and Tagbot I'm playing right now. Why isn't there any sound? When I'm not recording, there's sound. But ow, now there's no sound. Dang it. I thought I could jump up there. If you don't know what this game is called, it's called Subway Surfers. You can download it on Google Play. I think it's Google Play app. I think it's Google Play, Apple, and Amazon, I think. Dang it! Once I jumped up there, I'm not kidding. It's kind of weird because whenever he stops saying hey, there's like an echo. I don't know why. Dang. Ugh. Can you see this moving? I don't know if you can. It's the record button, it's moving. Just gonna put it right there. Guys, just so you know, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Katie? Damn. Dang it. So yeah guys, that was this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. So yeah. I'll see you later, my cheetahs, and peace.